This is it, the brand new 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor. And today, we're gonna find out if it's worth $90,000. Prices tested to my left is 96 grand. I wanna find out in this video, does this really compare to the F-150 Raptor, even my Ford Raptor R? Because altogether, the price is getting pretty close for all three. This is gonna be a totally different animal. I can't wait to find out. So today, we're gonna test it here in Johnson Valley, California. Yes, this wild bucking horse looks like a special one, worth more than a pack of two from the Outer Banks. Okay, for the 1 minute wrap up, you are getting a 3-liter Ecoboost V6 powertrain, 0.5 of a liter, smaller than the F-150 Raptor, powering 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. For the transmission, you are getting the 10-speed automatic with a 4.7 axle ratio. You have the iconic Bronco modular detachable body where you can pull off door panels or even the roof for any off-road environment you are throwing at it, which is specifically why you have the GOAT modes, which stands for goes over any type of terrain. This is the most capable Bronco ever made. In person, you have massive 37-inch tires combined with 17-inch off-road wheels with beadlock capability. They look identical off of my Ford Raptor R. You are getting similar Fox adaptive dampers, 13 inches of travel up front, 14 inches of travel out back. I'll show you more of what it can do shortly in this video. Look at this, we are on a dry lake bed right now. This is incredible. This Bronco Raptor, I mean, the way it's coming together right now, I'm having so much fun. Having the shorter wheelbase, the 37-inch tires, a 9.8-inch wider body all around with these fenders. I'm not seeing any dirt or debris hit the side of the body. Let's keep getting on the road and just keep having fun out here with it. The weight is around 5,700 pounds. So when you put that together, it's significantly lighter than the Ford F-150 Raptor. If I punch it, like there's a lot of force. The torque feels really good. We have put the vehicle into Baja mode. We are at Johnson Valley. This is next to the location for King of the Hammers. And up here it's gonna open up. So why don't we get some speed and find out how this platform comes together with these HOSS Fox live valve shocks. Let's do it. Whoa! Wow! The faster I go, the more grip I'm getting out of it. It's running incredibly. Oh my gosh! This is incredible, guys! 80! Wow! These shocks, the way they're coming together out here, literally I can throw anything at it. And the faster I drive, the more smooth the platform gets. I think stability-wise, it's as good, if not better, than my Ford Raptor R. It's got a shorter wheelbase, you have to realize that. So when I start going really fast through these dips, it's not gonna be able to plateau in the same aspect, yet you can still have a lot of fun. It's very stable. Currently, I'm still in Baja drive mode, and I believe we're next to a ton of abandoned mines out here, which is really cool. We'll have to try to stop by and see if we can enter any or check any out. But right now, the sun is kind of going down, getting a lot of shade right now. However, I love how we're all by ourselves, finally. We're getting behind Calico Ghost Town right now. There's actually tons of shooting ranges all around us too. Hopefully no one comes forward. This is a 1-lane road, but it's a perfect area just to explore what this vehicle's all about, because I'm sure a huge portion of owners will off-road this Bronco Raptor. Riding the walls, oh my gosh. Are they on a skateboard?
Blast right over them.
I guess it's not that good of an off-road test.
That's called run them over. What is this? This is like...
This is a new thing? What in the world is society coming to? The beauty of this vehicle is that having all these different driving modes, you've got a mode for every single scenario. Plus with the cameras, it shows you exactly your input for the tires when you're turning. We've got a little bit of a descent right here. Hopefully it doesn't get too steep. Okay, here we go, going down the descent. with the short wheelbase of the Ford Bronco Raptor. That's pretty steep, guys. It's beeping at me. That's something you can only do the short wheelbase. My Ford Raptor R could not do that. Yeah, the cameras really do save you. So I guess compared to a standard Ford Bronco, there is one downfall, is that the wide body is 10 inches wider. So I gotta really hope that the clearance is good, but we can check outside and see too.
You're good.
We're good?
Not even close.
Are we on the right path? Because I don't recognize.
Making a path. These other guys can't come
There's a
back here with
path
their
to the
Jeeps.
mines.
Yeah, you got to get through the switchbacks.
Whoa. Rock roll. Wow, this is incredible. Currently have it in a baja mode, which it loves to stay high in the RPMs. It completely changes the personality of the vehicle. So when you consider the package that you're going for, come on, factory warranty, you can drive it to the desert and drive it back home, take off all the panels to change up the vibe if you want. Yeah, it's got a mode for every single scenario you throw at it, from rock crawl, sport, even wet. Right now though, Baja is my absolute favorite because it just makes the suspension very plush for high speed acceleration in the sand. Oh, got some sideways angles right here. You seeing how composed it is? I'm curious at height. Oh, that's not good. Oh wow, it's a lot.
Left. Good. Go right now. Follow right this hill, right this hill.
Let's go straight.
Stop here, let these guys go.
I think coming out here, being in Baja mode, going in Johnson Valley, accelerating on the salt flat, for example, then coming out here, going on trails next to abandoned mines, it shows you the lifestyle that you get with a vehicle like this. And most importantly, I keep going back to this, how it's got a factory warranty. It's built Ford tough, and I feel it inside. I think the entire engineering team really did a good job because I'm not second guessing what the vehicle can do, I'm second guessing what I can do. Meaning if it gets in trouble, it's probably driver error versus anything else. So durability wise, even with my Ford Raptor R, I've had no problems with it at all. And I think this just elevates the versatility of my truck because it's much smaller. Though I will be honest, driving it out here, it's so wide that you could have an issue. And the width, it comes into play at fast food restaurants, on drive-thrus, or next to big rocks and boulders, or big, pieces of grass on the left or right. But let's pick up some speed through this Baja type trail and see what we can find out here in the middle of nowhere. So check it out, we have made it to Odessa Mine behind Calico. Check, so even the sun is setting, so we're gonna get a good overlanding experience with this thing. Turning on the lights going out now, because it's pretty tough getting in. Well, not for the vehicle, there's so much terrain to go over. But maybe let's check out this mine and see, well, what it's like inside. This is an old silver mine. Obviously, safety precautions need to be met. I'm not going in deep. We're just gonna walk inside, glance, check it out. This is from the early 1900s, late 1880s. People are rushing out here to mine for silver. This is absolutely crazy. Look at these rocks, by the way. I can feel the wind gusts coming in from the outside. Hopefully we can find some bats. What if there's a mountain lion in here? That'd be crazy. It seems like the Bronco Raptor can fit everywhere except for here. It's just getting narrower and narrower way down there. Yet it's looking pretty good outside, but the sun's going down, so maybe when the sun goes down, we lose the light on the way out. So it looks like down here was a cave-in. Here we go, climbing through the collapse. So it seems like it splits in two different directions down here. Decisions. So the tunnel goes left, well, right and left. Which way should we go? Plus, behind me, the light is dwindling away. These silver mines operated for quite a while. I can see some old timber as a structural piece, yet it looks like a massive mine shaft. It says Doodah. There's a bat right there. He's sleeping too. Well, you know, if there's one bat, there's probably more sleeping out here. He's so small. For the roads less traveled, this is a vehicle to take. There's so many options out there. You have all the Jeeps, even from Germany, the G-Wagon, or in the UK, you have the Defender, but I think this blends so many awesome different aspects of the Ford Tough formula together. That is from the F-150 Raptors with the Bronco heritage, the Bronco name. It perfectly fuses together. I think one big reason to upgrade alone is seeing all these cameras, because you can line up your tires exactly so you can straddle any big dip or drive over big rocks so you don't damage the suspension down below. If you want to experience life out of the city and experience what the world has to offer, explore abandoned mines or any other road non-traveled, this is a great choice. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button to help me out. Subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video. I'll see all of you in the next episode.